Positive Day Delivers, this is Dr. Gigi Sunga from I Can Change Project. Magandang umaga sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Doc Gigi Sunga. Second vlog natin before going to school. Wala pa tayong klase kaya ganito muna yung outfit natin. Pang millennial, alright, pang rockstar. Anyway, so if you need speaker per seminar for students, teachers, parents, and companies team building, and career coach, just call me 0939-5254-311. Okay, so mag-iwan muna ako ng something to think about this morning before going out. Ano ba talaga yung mga prerequisite before getting rich? Kagabi kasi I was thinking, nagagawa ko ng presentation ko because I'll be having a seminar on June 23 sa Pan Resort Hotel sa isang private company. Okay, titignan ko yung mga successful people, rich and successful people like Bill Gates, Jack Ma, Zuckerberg, dito sa atin, si Henry C. and the rest, okay? So, nung pag tinignan mo kanila kasi sayan, hindi naman pala nila unang inisip when they started their journey na maging mayaman. That's not actually their purpose, okay? Hindi yun yung kanilang unang naisip na how to be rich, to save money, then be rich. It's not like that. Hindi yun ang kanilang naisip. So, sinummarize ko into 3 things ang ginawa ng rich people and successful people before getting rich. Na pwede nating pag-isipan ngayong umaga, na pwede nating, ngayong araw na to, na pwede nating limi-limi na, nga pala no, na let's try doing this first, okay? Before of thinking of getting rich. So, ano ba yung 3S? So, pinangalanan ko siyang 3S, okay? Number 1, rich people solve problem. Alright? So, meron sila nakikitang need sa isang community, need sa community nila, and they try to solve it. Ano ba yung problema ng country nila? Actually, like Jack Ma. So, sinolve niya yung problem. Nagkaroon ng Alibaba.com para, you know, yung product ng China will reach the different parts of the world and vice versa. So, it's about solving problem. Okay? Kaya nga yung minsan po may nagtatanong sa akin, Ma'am G, how to start my own business? Ano bang business ang pwede kong gawin? Ang sinasabi ko lagi, number 1, it's not all about what you like, okay? It's not about what is your passion, what is your interest, not about that. It's not always about that, okay? So it's about answering the needs of your community, proposing solution, di ba? So if you want to get rich, tingnan mo ano ba yung problem ng community, ano ba yung pwede kong maitulong. Okay? Second S naman is don't settle only when you win. Okay? Second S, settle only when you win. Okay? Naalala ko si Bill Gates before going to Microsoft, yung first company niya, it did not work. Okay? Pero hindi siya nag-stop, hindi siya nag-settle. Okay? So, unless you win, unless it is productive, okay? Unless it is done successfully, you're not yet finished. So, do not settle. So, if you're doing something right now, na hindi pa siya okay, marami pang pwedeng gawin, madami pang pwedeng improve, do not stop, okay? Do not stop. That's the, you know, that's the one secret of rich people. Ang dami nating napanood o nakita na mga, you know, mga success stories, diba? Ang daming failures muna. Ang dami mo na rejections, di ba? Bago sila naging successful. Try to read different stories. Makikita mo doon, ang dami palang pinagdaanan, di ba? Ang dami palang mga failures na pinagdaanan. But before they get, you know, they become rich. But they did not settle, okay? So, third S naman na dapat natin gawin is to serve many people. Yan. Try to think of serving many people. Like, Zuckerberg ngayon, di ba? Super rich. Why? Because he's serving millions of people. Di ba? Billion na ata merong Facebook eh. Di ba? Or they are into, you know, social media. So, massive ang kanyang, you know, pag-serve sa people. Ang daming nakikinabang sa Facebook. So, try to think about that. Okay? So, before you get rich, try to think of these 3 things. Ginawa na ba natin to? Before you question somebody, ba't ba ganito ang buhay ko? But hindi ako yumayaman? Bakit Ano pa bang kulang? Maraming kulang actually. May mga kulang. So, try to do this 3S, okay? So, you solve problem. So, think about it. Ano ba yung pwede mong gawin sa community mo? Second, serve people. Ano ba yung pwede mong iserve, okay? Na makatulong sa mankind, alright? Like this one, let me give you a concrete example. This vlog, my YouTube channel, when I started it, it's not all about earning money. It's actually, it's curiosity, and eventually, when I received different comments from different OFW na kababayan natin, so na-realize ko, dahil palang natutulungan na YouTube channel. Daily, I got almost 20,000 views. Imagine 20,000 people are watching my videos daily. At lahat na yan, most of them na-inspire. Okay, ngayon marami na may investment, marami nang nagpa-plan to go home, to start their own business. So, marami na na-inspire. It's serving many people. And of course, settle only when you win. Alright? So, don't give up. Alright? So, mahaba pang buhay. Like kanina, meron akong nabasang comment, nasa early 30s na siya. Akala niya, wala siya nagagawa, patapos na yung buhay niya. No. After watching my video, sabi niya sa akin, Doc G, I realize, mahaba pa pala yung buhay and marami pa akong pwedeng gawin. Diba? So, don't give up. Alright? So, please share this video sa mga kaibigan natin, OFW, and hindi lang sa kanila. Sa lahat sa atin dito, mga kamag-anak mo, kaibigan mo, na gusto mo rin ma-inspire to get rich and to do this 3S. Alright? So, thank you very much, G-Libers. Enjoy the rest of the day, and let's go, let's go!